Hello guys, welcome to my first impression and quick thoughts on Gateron's latest linear switch, the North Pole. This is sent to us over by Kurt Bro Switches. Thank you for sending over the Gateron North Pole. These are sent over by Kurt Bro Switches, Kurt De Guzman on Shopee. This is Gateron's latest linear switch, and it has a clear housing, perfect for those of you who are into that RGB kind of thing look. So the specs, they are factory lubed, and I really like the factory lubing of these ones. It's a long pole switch. It has cutout for RGB with transparent housing and stem. 50-gram operation force, but I do feel that the bottom out force of these switches come into around 62 grams. That is just my very subjective feeling. So anyways, these switches are really good. Kind of reminds me of the Aqua Kings, but the Aqua Kings I didn't like that much because they have such an inconsistent factory lubing. These ones are really nice. There's a very slight scratch. You have to listen very carefully to hear that. And on actual usage, you don't even hear the scratch. Um, I feel that these switches can be used stock, and I'm using it stock on my Keychron Q4. Really loving it. So here's the sound test. This is my Keychron Q4, which I told you I would never mod because it's really good. But out of curiosity, I did put one layer of Tempest tape on this one and the polyfill. I removed the stock lower case foam and then placed in some polyfill. And wow, just listen to the sound and be the judge. All right. Wow. I'll be uploading my full review this weekend. I've already recorded it. Just have to edit the whole video. Um, it does sound a bit clocky, clack with a mix of thocks, but then again, the Q4 by default is a clacky keyboard. So it's a long pole switch. So but I don't think it's clacky. I think it's more of a clock leaning towards thought, but then again, it's personal. It's all personal. That's subjective. So um I don't know, guys, but I think that really sounds good. I think that really sounds good. To give you a comparison, the keys on the number keys here, they are lube. These are lube. These are stock. I don't feel any difference. Probably there will be a sound difference. I will try out my lube switches on the next few days, but I don't feel personally that I need to lube this. So yeah, watch out. Stay tuned for that full review.